In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom report in Xero step by step. Custom reports are incredibly useful when you want to tailor your financial data to match your business needs, whether that's for management meetings, accountants, or internal tracking. Instead of relying only on the default reports, you can modify layouts, add or remove rows, and structure the information exactly how you want it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build and save your own custom report in Xero. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials, just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, navigate to the top menu and click on Reporting. This is where all your financial reports live. From the Reporting menu, select Balance Sheet. We're using the balance sheet as an example today, but the same concept applies to many other reports inside Xero. When the balance sheet opens, you'll see the standard default layout. This is what Xero provides out of the box. At the top of the report, make sure you've selected the correct date range or reporting period that you want to work with. This ensures your base data is accurate before you begin customizing anything. Next, select your base report if prompted. The base report acts as the starting template. Once you're happy with the base version, look for the Edit Layout button. Go ahead and click Edit Layout. This is where the customization really begins. Inside the Layout Editor, you can drag and drop rows and columns to reorganize the structure of your report. For example, if you want certain assets or liabilities to appear higher or lower in the report, simply click and drag them into the desired position. This makes it easy to prioritize the information that matters most to you. If you need to add new sections or rows, click the plus icon. This allows you to insert additional lines, headings, or grouping categories. You can use this feature to create clearer breakdowns of financial data, combine accounts under custom headings, or separate information for better readability. You can also remove lines that aren't relevant to your reporting needs. Customizing the layout helps ensure that anyone reading the report can quickly understand the most important numbers without being distracted by unnecessary detail. As you make adjustments, take a moment to review the structure carefully. Make sure everything is organized logically and reflects how you want to present your financial position. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click Update Layout. This applies your modifications to the report preview. Now here's the crucial step, saving your customized version. At the top of the report, click Save As, then choose Custom. This ensures that your edited layout is saved as a new custom report rather than overwriting the original default report. Give your custom report a clear and descriptive name so you can easily find it later, especially if you plan to create multiple custom reports. After saving, your custom report will now appear in your reporting section under Custom Reports. You can access it anytime, run it for different periods, and even continue refining the layout if your business needs change. Creating custom reports in Xero is a powerful way to tailor your financial data, improve clarity, and present information exactly how you need it. Whether you're preparing reports for stakeholders or managing internal finances, this feature gives you complete flexibility. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom report in Xero. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.